Yo! What's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. Let's get it, man. I hope you guys had a good ass day today, good ass Friday. You feel me? Today I'm gonna show you guys exactly. Boom! You know what I'm saying? $2,000 on the 300K account and 150 on the 50K account. And I'm going to get right into the trade right after we get into the analysis. And we start off with our friendly neighborhood dollar. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and do that. Starting off with the daily time frame, you can see that we have been bearish. It's been 4 consecutive bearish days. You feel me? Sooner or later, there's going to have to be some type of pullback. Remember those gaps that I was aiming for Thursday? Usually Thursday and Friday kept off the week. So I was looking for price to potentially get up into here if something happened in here to where I would think it could potentially get up into there. You know what I mean? So going into the hourly time frame, when you go into the hourly time frame, you can see, hold on, let me clear this up a bit. You can see we have the previous daily low here. Previous daily low was ran. It wasn't ran. It actually didn't get ran here, but it did create SMT with GU, because GU did run the previous daily high, and EU also did. I think it ran. Yeah, it did run the previous daily high, which is up here, right? And also EU was still in that 3-month FEG, the same PD array that I was trying to use for a cap off the week type shit. You feel me? And I ended up taking a EU trade. I didn't trade any Nasdaq or ES or none of that today. I literally came to my chart and saw what happened with EU, and we could get right into that trade and then the review right afterwards. So I hope you guys enjoy the trade.
Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun?
Alright, so now that it's over with, you guys got to see how the trade played out. Let's go ahead and review a little bit of the trade and what I was thinking just a bit more. So we took out the previous daily high here, and with that SMT with dollar, I went ahead and entered my trade right inside of this FEG in this breaker right after this up close candle. I literally came to my chart around here and just saw all of this, and I just entered there, aiming for this sell side liquidity. And mind you, when it started displacing lower, I wasn't expecting price to come all the way fucking back, all the way up there. You feel me? I didn't expect it to do that. It came back, hit me out at break even. On this is the 300K. I had a better entry on my TraderVate account, right, which was up here. So it came out and hit me out at break even. I also did get a scale in. I think it was right in here, right inside of that FEG. I was thinking this is like the redistribution. Whole time that shit was not the redistribution. I don't know what it is with my TPs, bro, but with relative equal lows, I swear to God, all week, every time I get a trade, it's never hitting that relative equal low. Like, what is going on? Does smart money not know how to work no more? Like, what? Like, you know what I mean? So, like, what's going on? So, you feel me? It came back, hit me out at break even. It held this FEG, right? This inversion FEG again. Came into this FEG. So what I did was, I had my stop here, and then it came and hit me out right at break even, right at this high. But once it dropped lower one more time, right below that opening candle, I went ahead and entered right inside of here, right? And was just looking for price to go back through this inversion FEG, use that inversion FEG, and then run out the sell side liquidity. So I had to do all that shit just to come run out the sell side liquidity. And not only that, bruh. So I was aiming for London's low with my 50K, the 50K account. You feel me? It got down there. It hit an hourly FEG right in here. But look, it's relative equal lows, bro. This is what I'm saying. It's relative equal lows. It came down, ran out this sell side liquidity pool at 8 o'clock. And then, but it didn't come for the London lows, which was relative equal lows with Thursday's low. Like, do you see how they do me? Like, you know what I mean? So that's why I ended off the day on my 50K account up plus $150. I did take a small $60 L. So by me taking that $60 L, I only ended off the day with $150. Especially because I was aiming for this low. It came down, it looked like it was getting down into there. Like, come on, bro. It looked like it was right there. You feel me? It looked like it was getting down into there, and then it had a little change in state of delivery. I could have trailed my stop above this up close candle and left it like that, but I had my stop, my trailing stop around here in this area. My entry was up here. I had my trailing stop here, right? It took me out by the time the market closed. You feel me? So it didn't give it to me, bro. This was like low. This was like $400. I think $400 right here when price was right here. But I was aiming for these relative equal lows. It's too clean. Previous daily low, it's just too clean right there. And then it just left it. It hit midnight open price, and then it decided to want to go higher from there. You feel me? And I swear to God, it's all week. This is all that's been happening to me is high resistant as it keep coming back, not hitting the fucking relative equal lows, bro. It's right there. Like, you know what I mean? So, man, it is what it is. But yeah, that's it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the fucking channel, subscribe to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.